Hello friends, welcome to Tricks. This is the third part of the series Ramsar Wetland Site. The other two parts you can watch the videos from the link in the description. In those two parts we learned trick to remember the Ramsar Wetland sites from Kerala to Assam, and the trick was Aishwarya needs visa to take award in California. I have tweaked the trick a little bit to add Andhra Pradesh, since in the last trick I forgot to mention Andhra Pradesh wetland site Kolleru. So Aishwarya needs visa to take award in California and collect money, and will stand for Andhra Pradesh, and from collect you can remember Kolleru. She offers chilled beer to MP Bhoj, treat in Radisson, and for local men dinner as they like. I suggest you to watch those videos, two videos, very short videos, and then watch this one. I'm trying to cover all the wetland sites systematically so that you can remember it for a longer period of time. In the previous videos, we covered Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, West Bengal, then we moved to Tripura, Manipur, Assam, and now we are moving to Uttar Pradesh, then to Himachal Pradesh, then to Jammu and Kashmir, then we will come to Rajasthan, Gujarat, and in this way we will cover all the wetland sites. So in this video we have Uttar Pradesh, Himachal Pradesh and Jammu and Kashmir. In Uttar Pradesh we have Upper Ganga wetland site. It provides the habitat for IUCN red listed the Gangetic dolphin. The HP, the Himachal Pradesh Pongdem wetland site is formed of because of the man-made reservoir built on the river Beas. It plays an important role during monsoon season, holding the flood waters and also recharges the groundwater in the off season. Then we have the Renuka Lake, and third is Chandratal. Renuka Lake is fed by a small stream flowing out to the Giri River. In Jammu and Kashmir, we have Vuller Lake. It is the largest freshwater lake in India. Zo Moriri. It is considered to be the only breeding ground outside China for the most endangered species, the black-necked crane. Third is Hoket Sar. It is contiguous to the Jhelum Basin and habitat for waterfall. Fourth Ramsar wetland site in Jammu and Kashmir is Mansar Surinsar. Remember that in this map, not all the wetland sites are Ramsar wetland sites. Also in this map, you will not find Telangana, as it is an old map. I could not find more appropriate map to show all the wetland sites. So please don't get upset if Telangana is not in the map. And remember that not all the sites showing here are wetland sites designated by Ramsar, though they are wetlands that are under threat in India. Now, a trick. We will continue from the earlier story where Aishwarya was trying to bribe MP Bhoj. A scam was cooking there. Now, MP Bhoj does not have that much power. He's afraid of giving any favor to Aishwarya. So he takes Aishwarya to her high powered boss, Renuka Chandra. Now, how you will remember this name? Remember Renuka Chaudhary, a leader from Congress, always by the side of Sonia Gandhi. She is very powerful. So, from that, you can relate Renuka Chandra to Renuka Chaudhary. High powered Renuka Chandra demands cash. Mangoes and saris are sent. Since she is a woman, she is lured by sending mangoes and saris from high Himachal Pradesh. From Himachal, you can relate it to high since it refers to hills and peaks. So, high. From powered, PO, Pongdem. From Renuka, Renuka Lake. From Chandra, Chandratal. Demands cash. From cash, Kashmir. Now, the spelling is CASH, but the pronunciation will refer to KASHMIR, Kashmir. From cash, Kashmir. 2 will stand for Zomoriri. From Lar, Wuller. From her, Hoketsar. Now, mostly in this word, you will see that I am not taking the first words and making the acronym, but the words which are rhyming with the wetland sites. From mangoes, man for Mansar, and from saris, sar for Surinsar. Sar means lake in Sanskrit. So Suri or Sari will serve our purpose. So the trick is high powered Renuka Chandra demands cash. To lure her, mangoes and saris are sent. In the last video, we will cover the wetland sites of Rajasthan and Gujarat. Hope you like this trick. I will be making similar tricks, and please post your comment feedbacks, and don't forget to hit like button and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.